Hey travelers, welcome aboard Explorer of the Seas. Today I am giving you an exclusive tour of room 1814 located on forward deck 12. But this isn't just any room, it's my new shipmate's room, Nikki. And y'all, it's a stunner. This is a panoramic ocean view stateroom, and the first thing you notice, that wall-to-wall window. It wraps across the front of the ship and gives you a view that honestly is priceless. I mean, look at this. You get a floor-to-ceiling front row seat to the sea. Sunrises, sunsets, waves, stars, no balcony needed when the ocean is in your room. There's a cozy sitting area perfect for lounging, journaling, or just vibing with the view. There's also lots of storage. A vanity with great lighting and a full bathroom setup, clean and cruise ready. And let's not forget the comfy queen-size bed that can be split into two twins if needed. So shout out to Nikki for letting me share her beautiful cabin. If you're cruising on Explorer of the Seas, check out room 1814. It's bright, peaceful, and has one of the best views on the ship. That's it for today's room tour. Thanks for following.